Chapter 4, Qantas versus Velocity. Which one's right for you? When choosing which program to go with, Qantas or Velocity, it really comes down to your travel goals. To help you choose, we're going to investigate the pros and cons of both programs. Let's start with Velocity. The main benefits of Velocity include good availability on domestic Virgin Australia flights, a larger range of credit card partners, and an increasing number of Velocity point partners. Good value and availability when using points to fly with Velocity partners Etihad and Singapore Airlines. Added value for families with family point pooling and a parental leave scheme to allow new parents a 6-month pause period. Awards discounts around twice a year. The bad news about Velocity is that the program has a limited number of redemption partners, especially into certain parts of Asia, South America and Europe. Virgin also doesn't offer a lot of its own international flights. This means that you need to look at its partner airlines for most international travel, some of who, like Air New Zealand and South African Air, are expensive. Qantas Frequent Flyer has more airline partners than Velocity through its membership of the oneworld alliance. This means you have more airline options to redeem flights. It's also relatively easy to upgrade to premium or business class for domestic Qantas flights. Qantas also offers tons of ways of increasing your point earning potential outside of credit card spending, with features like its own Epicure Wine program where you can earn points for purchases. On the downside, Qantas price point redemptions are higher globally, and it does not offer guaranteed upgrades, especially for international travel. Each program has different benefits for different kinds of travellers and members. However, there are other factors which may come into your decision process, and these include existing balances. If you have a significant existing points balance in Velocity or Qantas, it's going to be easier to meet your goals by funneling your credit card rewards points towards your exiting points program. Work-funded travel. If you earn points from Velocity or Qantas, or if you frequently travel either Qantas or Virgin for work-funded flights, you may want to point stack by choosing the same program for your credit card rewards. Where do you want to go? Consider where you want to travel to, as both programs have a different reach and value proposition, depending on your destination goals. Before choosing a program, look to see which airlines or alliances take you to where you want to go most conveniently and reliably. Also consider which flights will earn you status for queue jumping, priority seating and lounge access. Achieving a usable points balance. How many points do you need to reach your travel goal? This figure is your usable points balance. Setting a usable points balance will help you determine whether Velocity or Qantas will get you there faster. Let me explain. Your usable points balance will be very different if you are looking to fund a round-the-world flight compared to upgrading from economy to business on regular domestic flights. You also need to consider how important it is to hit the exact figure of your usable points balance. For example, if you're after international first-class redemptions for solo travel, you can't redeem for half a first-class ticket, so you definitely need the full amount of points to be able to do this. Compare this to a family of 4 travelling domestically, who may be more flexible about paying for one fare out of 4 on a return trip, and as a result, only need enough points for 3 domestic fares. You can supercharge your usable balance by applying a few simple rules. Funnel your points into either Qantas or Velocity, depending on which one will help you reach your goals sooner. Put as much of your usual spending, like food shopping and rent, onto your points collecting credit card. Remember to pay off the balance every month before you're hit with interest. Check out retailers that partner with your credit card and offer point bonuses, and use your card at those stores. Take advantage of other points promotions from your card. Look out for bonuses on transfers from your flexible points programs. Find and use frequent flyer program partners, including hotels and car rentals. Take note of the active deals on point hacks for bonus promotions that might work for you. Don't redeem points unnecessarily. Maintain focus on your plans and goals. Ensure your account is credited for any points you think you have earned. Use a points service like TripIt Pro or Award Wallet to keep an eye on all your points balances. Direct your existing airline loyalty rewards into your chosen program. And remember, when practiced consistently, these small efforts add to big travel rewards.